Do you have a large smartphone and you're looking for a sturdy hand grip that also fits onto a tripod? Then let's have a look at the Shoulderpod S2. Make sure you watch to the end of the video so you can see the points that I thought were good, what to look out for, and why there's a cat in the thumbnail for this video. So let's start with what's in the box. Here's the front of it and the back of it. Let's turn it over on the table so we can see that in its full glory. And as with things that are in boxes, it's always good to start with an unboxing. So let's do that, shall we? So here's the three main components, and we'll get them out to have a look at them in more detail. So here's the main piece that holds the smartphone. It's expandable, and we'll have a look at it in a moment. See the dial on top there, where we open that up, and it opens up to hold larger phones. And one of the features has actually got what they call traveler mode, which effectively is to put the phone in and hold it like that, and it can take different size phones. There's a strap and a handle. The handle's quite large and need to lock in the phone, so it's a two-handed operation just to make sure it's nice and secure, but you can see there it's quite a robust. It takes a large phone. This is an iPhone XR in a large case, for instance. The strap is a very useful safety feature. And it's easy to get the handle back into your hand. Here it is fitted to a tripod, and here's my helper, just showing how robust it all is. Thanks. So here's some of the things that I liked about this one, and there's a few points about it that you should be aware of. So if you think this is the right product for you, then I've included links in the video description below, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.